In this video we are going to show you how Fendeck's premium PVC products stand up to a 40 kg bag swung from a height of 1.6 meters. For this test we have installed a 1 meter high balustrading with 38 mm pickets, spaced 75 mm apart. The bag has been filled with 13 mm stone and fine grit mix, also known as crusher run, as can be seen here. The bag will now be weighed using a weighing hook to ensure that is 40 kilograms. The final weight settled at 40.4 kilograms. We cannot use the weighing hook for the swing test, so this must be removed. Now we are going to measure a pre-cut plank of wood. This plank is 1.6 meters long. This will be the height from which the 40 kilogram bag will be released during the swing test. Now the 40 kilogram bag is hooked onto the snap hook for the swing test. It is vital that the bag is secure during the test and on impact. Once the bag is securely clipped, the bag is taken back to a height of 1.6 meters for the first swing test. We will use the 1.6 meter wooden plank to ensure the correct height for the swing test.